Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I hope you are doing good. So today we are going to design a billboard that will be promoting our coffee brand. Okay, and in this time around we are going to design our billboard inside this mockup. Okay, but if you want to design it separately in other files also can. So let's get started. So first of all, go to this mockup file, which I will include it in the description down below. Okay, go to this right side and you will see this place artwork on these layers. So double click on this icon, double click, and here we are going to place our design. Okay, so all this thing we can either unsee it or delete it. Delete, I'll let it be here. Okay, so we are going to add this background first inside our artboard. So just drag it in. This background I got it from FreePic. Okay, so I will include the link in the description if you want to search for it, or maybe if you want to change the background. Okay, so resize it by holding the alternate key while drag this up. Okay, you want to fill it inside the artboard. So place it and click this right icon. Okay, next thing is we are going to add our product, which is our coffee. So this is the cute image. I got it from Pexels, I think. And then we just need to adjust it and place it at the right place. So resize it, maybe make it a little bit bigger than this, put it here. Okay, and then I don't want the handle to be at this side. So you can see it's very disturbing over here because we are going to add some text. Okay, so we're going to flip it. How to do that is that we are going to click on this edit above here and go to this transform and flip horizontal, and it's flip. So adjust it. Okay, and okay, next thing is we are going to add some maybe our tagline. Okay, so add a text, go to this type tool, click on it and click it here. Sorry, click it once on the artboard and rename it. For me, I will write maybe take a break. Okay, take a break and then drink some coffee maybe. So resize it. Okay, go to this resize to size the font. Okay, maybe 27 or bigger, 28, 30 lah. Okay, and then I don't really like this font, so I'll change it to Poppins, Italic, or Poppins medium italic, and then place it here. And I'm going to duplicate it by holding the alternate key while drag this out. Okay, alternate key. Or maybe you can just drag this layer to this add button over here and It's the same thing. So take a break, drink some coffee. Right? So I don't want to drink some coffee to be italic, so change it to bold. Okay, nice. And maybe this coffee should be down. So we need to adjust the spacing, the leading. Okay, maybe to yeah, 27, and make sure to align it to the left and put it here and resize it. Oh, and then you just need to adjust the leading. Okay, take a break, drink some coffee, and this take a break, maybe make it smaller, maybe 28. Put it here. And done. Maybe increase it a little bit to 37. Okay. And I think there's something missing. What is it? Our branding. So we can just create our own logo. Okay, this coffee logo I got it from flaticon.com. Okay, so resize it, put it down below, and click this right icon, size it a little bit smaller, and enter. And then we are going to add a text. Okay, I want the logo to have like some text. I want to add copy. So this is our branding name, and I'm going to change the font to aight regular, and place it just nice over here. So resize it to be a little bit smaller. So this is our logo of copy shop. Okay, as you can see here, as we imported the icon here, okay, if you want to change the color from black to something else, okay, maybe we want to change the color to be a dark chocolate, so you can double click on this coffee logo, double click on this icon, okay, and then here the layer, double click again, and this layer style will be come out to your screen. So go to this color overlay. Okay, color overlay, so you can change the color over here. Maybe this dark chocolate, yeah, and then copy the color code, Ctrl C, and then OK, click OK, and then save the file, save, and then close it. So it has changed the color. Okay, same goes to this copy. The font color, we want to change it to the color code that we have copied before. So go to this color and click it, and Ctrl V to paste the color, and then OK. Next, this drink some coffee. I want to change it to, I don't want it to be black, I want it to be a chocolate too, but darker one. Okay, and then OK. Same goes to this take a break. Just slightly lighter than before, and click OK. So that's all, guys. For me, I like to maintain it to be as simple as possible, and as you can see, we just add like several images so that it will not be too crowded with information. Make it short and eye-catching. So the main thing that you like to consider is to choose the right font and also the right images so that your billboard will be look eye-catchy and interesting to see, you know. Okay, so don't forget to save file, save, and let's see the mockup. Ta-da! So imagine if you are driving your car and then you come across this billboard. So you will, first thing first, you will see the coffee smiling to you, right? So then you will move to this text over here, which is take a break, drink some coffee. So you pun singgah that kedai kopi lah to minum that air. Okay, so yeah, I think that's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and I hope you will take care of yourself and stay safe. Okay, everyone, thank you. Assalamualaikum.